I'm going to be doing a vlog today. It's not going to be much. Sorry I haven't been doing any vlogs like recently because like this week's been really busy. So I've literally been doing like not much to have a watch. It's my watch. What's the time? It says 6:49. Let me show you. Right, let's say 6:49, but it's switched around for you guys. So, yeah, that's random. So, I've just uploaded a load of videos on my vlog channel. Got a new stunt that I done. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but why do I look like a lot of black? Look at that. I've still got black lips. But yeah, I'm just telling my Xbox I'm about to do some farming on Destiny and all that stuff, and some stuff on Plants vs Zombies. So yeah, I also uploaded two Watchdog videos. I don't know if there's some good YouTubers out there. Say if you guys are watching this video and you think it if you're a good YouTuber, please help me and tell me what I can use to do this stuff. Like my gaming channel, I need something that can get really close up. But at the moment, I have barely got anything to get close up on a video, so I'm just using my tablet at the moment. So I need something like a HDMI something, not HDMI cable, but there's a HDMI 4.2 or something like that. It's like a thing that plugs into your Xbox. So yeah, that's it. And so yeah, wait, I'm gonna go and do something. What should I do? I'm gonna drop you. I saved you. Are you happy now? I saved you again. I'm sorry I keep dropping you. Look, I love that picture. Look at it. Titanic. It's meant to be a scene from the Titanic, and then we're all on it. You see? So look, that's me when I was really young. That's where I done the stunt. I done the stunt out there. If you'd watched the video, by the time I've uploaded this, you probably would have watched it. But yeah, once it's uploaded, well, you cook good. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Huh? What's for dinner? Some fried chicken. I got chicken fried chicken. Yeah, chicken. Yeah, like if you love chicken. Also, hashtag chicken is the new thing in the comments. Hashtag chicken. Okay, so that's it. That's gonna be that's gonna be this video for today. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below.